Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna. Here basically we are discussing the topic that is city creation. In this basically we are discussed how basically Corona came, and that is the fact basically. This way only the Corona disease basically came into the market. That was sudden population got increased in Earth planet. How basically it got increased? That basically World Bank only basically might be knowing, or basically the this group basically might be knowing, because this group says that basically whatever human clone basically whatever human souls basically which is getting produced in the environment also, that also we are tracking basically, that also we are tracking. So just see basically up to what level things basically are country, that also we are tracking. So how basically this got escaped, the population basically which suddenly came basically, how basically this got escaped. That was 5 crore population basically, or 6-7 crore population basically, which came suddenly basically, that is 8 crore 10 crore. Due to that basically the corona disease got generated basically. And like this basically corona basically killed more than 50 crore population basically. And here basically we are discussing that University of Oxford basically told that basically we have given 35 words to the Microsoft, and Microsoft Word basically, that means this group basically is tracking each and every words basically which is given by the Oxford to each and every people basically. In this basically the human clone also contains. So human clone data basically this group are handling basically. That's why 100% they might be handling, because they are responsible for each and every child creation also basically. If one child is also coming in the Earth planet basically, for that these groups are also responsible. For example, one child basically is one person basically is getting marriage and he is not giving not able to get the child basically. Reason, there might be some medical reason. So for that also basically this group will be responsible. So this group need to give the answer also basically, why he is not able to get the child basically, why he is not able to get the child basically. So this type of data University of Oxford group basically have it basically. Why basically is not having the child basically, so they have to give the answer basically. So same way basically the 7 to 8 crore people basically came from where basically. For that basically the Oxford University basically is going to give the answer basically, that how basically this 5 crore came here basically. We have created Microsoft, we have given 35 words. Now basically we have to check basically that how many words basically we have given to the each and every group basically. So for that basically they contacted the stock exchange basically of the world basically, that how many companies basically are there, according to the words basically the companies is matching or not basically, according to this that basically each and every creation basically which has happened, cities creation as cities basically has converted into human needs, and human clone basically are also converted, and human souls also basically, one city has generated how many human souls, that each and everything basically Oxford University started tracking it basically. They want to track basically from where this 5 crore 7 to 8 crore people basically came suddenly basically. Due to that basically the each and every human needs basically we were preparing, that is the tomato, potato, that also basically miscalculation basically happened. So to calculate, sorry, to track that miscalculation basically, how basically that happened, they basically started basically calculating basically how basically this 8 crore 9 crore people basically came suddenly basically. Then basically they told that basically we have given words to this company, that company, this company, this company, that company, this, that basically we have created this, that basically software company created, software company, total software company in this world basically are 1 lakh. We have given this many words to this many words to the 1 lakh software company. The software company told that basically we have created this city, that city, this city. From cities basically we have created human needs, from human needs basically we have created that, this, that, each and everything basically they told that basically we have created human souls also, human clone also, each and everything basically we have created, each and everything basically we have created on the base of 1 lakh software company basically, on the base of 1 lakh software company basically. So University of Oxford basically told that University of Oxford told that basically we have tracked each and everything here basically. Then also we are not able to track basically from where this 9 lakh people came basically. 9 crore basically. Because 9 lakh people also basically come, then also disease is not going to generate. So 9 crore people basically came. Assume that it's 10 crore basically. The amount is basically in crore, that is 100% sure. Suddenly that data basically came. Due to that basically the corona-like disease basically generated. Reason? The human needs basically which the preparation was happening, that was according to the current human current population, and whenever that human needs basically was entering into the human body, that time basically the body was not able to take the temperature basically. Reason? The 7 to 9 crore people basically came suddenly basically. So that was miscalculation basically. So one of the person basically who created the corona medicine, he told that basically that we know basically. That's why we are sitting at that type of chair basically. We have captured this long before basically. Then one of the university groups told that basically how you can know yeah, because we are not able to track that basically. That's from where basically 9 crore people basically came. Like this basically the story started. So one of the person told that yeah, basically from where basically the 9 crore came here basically suddenly it came basically. Due to that basically the miscalculation happened of each and every human needs basically in this world basically. This group has created each and every human needs in this world basically. For example, 1 kilogram tomato also basically is producing in the one of the city basically. Producing means supplying in the city basically. That also they have created basically. This group basically. If that human needs basically which is created, that is connected with the population basically. That is not future population, current population. It might be possible that future population also, but future population how you can say basically? Future population you can't say. So current population basically. So like this one of the person told that like this basically things are basically there basically. So one of the person told that the tracking basically how basically this 9 crore people came here basically. Because Oxford University basically telling that basically we have producing the human souls basically into the environment basically, and according to that only the birth is happening basically, and human souls data also basically we are producing. Then from where this 9 crore 10 crore people basically came suddenly? Then he told that said that basically we need to check here basically from where this basically 9 crore came, and basically the corona disease spreaded into the world basically. Then University of Oxford group basically connected to the Sanskrit department, and Sanskrit department and this group basically connected to the Tamil department. That from where basically this 9 crore came here? Sorry, 10 crore basically. Then it told that also basically need to check here basically. From where actually came from where? From care without basically World Bank is also not able to understand basically from where this 10 crore population basically came. And each and every human needs basically we are creating them. That is according to the current population basically. And due to that basically current population basically was not matching with the human needs creation basically, created basically. Due to that basically the disease generated basically. And in disease generation lots of earthquake also calculated, lots of earthquake also basically came. Reason? According to the human blood cells, the each and every city's stable energy and unstable energy are mapped basically. Due to that earthquakes also basically connected to the each and every cities basically. That also basically miscalculated. So in next video basically we are going to see basically how basically the population basically came from where basically. In next video basically we are going to see.